Welcome viewers. In this video I am going to solve question number 7 and 8 from exercise 7.2. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start solving question number 7. ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A equals to 90 degree and AB equals to AC. Find angle B and C. Let us draw the diagram as per instruction. ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is 90 degree. So I mark this point as A and this is our B and this point C. So this angle is 90 degree, and as per instruction I take AB equals to AC. That means this side equals to this side. So we can call this triangle as right angle isosceles triangle. Let us prove it. In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC given. Therefore, angle C equals to angle B. As because angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. As it is given that AB equals to AC, so we can call it an isosceles triangle, and the angle opposite to the side AB is angle C, and angle opposite to the side AC is angle B. So according to this theorem, angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. We can say angle C equals to angle B. I mark this relation as 1. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. As we know that sum of all the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. This is angle sum property. Now according to question, angle A equals to 90 degree, so we put 90 degree here, and we already showed here angle C equals to angle B. Therefore in place of angle B I can put angle C, and another C is there. Therefore 90 degree plus C plus angle C equals to 180 degree, which implies 90 degree plus 2 into angle C equals to 180 degree. That is 2C equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which implies 2c equals to 90 degree, which implies c equals to 90 degree by 2, that is 45 degree. So we obtain c equals to 45 degree. We already showed that angle c equals to angle b. Therefore we can say angle b equals to angle c equals to 45 degree. So viewers, that's all about the question number 7. Now I will go through question number 8. Question number 8 on the screen show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Let us draw a diagram of an equilateral triangle. Given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. To prove angle ABC equal to angle BCA equal to angle CAB equals to 60 degree, that is each of the angles are 60 degree. Proof: since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore AB equals to BC equals to CA, as because all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Therefore we can say AB equals to BC also. If AB equals to BC equals to CA, then we can obviously say AB equals to BC. Therefore angle BCA equal to angle CAB, as because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Look, opposite angle of side AB is angle BCA, and opposite angle of the side BC is CAB. So if AB equals to AC, then we can say angle BCA equals to angle CAB. I mark it as 1. Again, if AB equals to BC equals to CA, then we can say BC equals to CA. Therefore angle CAB equals to angle ABC. The reason is same as above. Look, if BC equals to CA, then opposite angle of the side BC is CAB and opposite angle of the side CA is ABC. Therefore, if BC equals to CA, then we can say CAB equals to ABC, that is, this angle equals to this angle. I mark this relation as 2. Now from 1 and 2 we can say angle CAB equals to angle ABC equals to angle BCA. That is, all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. I mark this relation as 3. Now from triangle ABC we have angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA equals to 180 degree, because sum of all the three angles of any triangle equals to 180 degree, and relation 3 shows that all that three angles are equal. So I am keeping the first angle fixed and replacing the second two angles by the first angle CAB plus CAB equals to 180 degree, which implies 3CAB equals to 180 degree. That is, angle CAB equals to 180 degree by 3, that is 60 degree, which implies CAB equals to 60 degree. And as we know that all the three angles are equal, therefore angle CAB equal to angle ABC equal to angle BCA equals to 60 degree, proved. So viewers, that's all about the question number 8. No more today. I wish you all the best.